Good morning students. Today we are going to study about non-Tamil sources and foreign accounts. Okay, so these are all non-Tamil sources. One is Arthasastra, Mahavamsa, Periplus, Erythraean Sea, and Pliny Natural Histories, and Ptolemy's Geography, and Plutingarian Table, and Vienna. Non-Tamil literature sources also offer information on early Tamil society. Okay, so it is the literature sources of early Tamil society. Okay, and the presence of non-Tamil sources reveals the extensive contents and interactions of the early Tamil society with the outside world. Okay, and first one is Arthasastra. This is it means the classic work on economy and statecraft. So in this book Arthasastra is explained and describe the economy and statecrafts. Okay, and author is Kaudilya. Okay, so in the Arthasastra author is Kaudilya, and during the Mauryan period. So in this book is written in during the Mauryan period, and it refers to the Pandya Kavada. Okay, Pandya Kavada. Kavada means nothing but it is the piers and shells from the Pandya country. So the Kavada அப்படின்றதுக்கு மீனிங் என்ன அப்படின்னா பாண்டியா கிங்டம்ல இருந்த பாண்டியா கண்ட்ரியில இருந்த பியர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஷெல்ஸ் பத்தின ஒரு ஸ்டோரி தான். ஓகே, அண்ட் the next one is Mahavamsa. Mahavamsa was the Sri Lankan Buddhist chronicles. Okay, so it is the what Sri Lankan Buddhist chronicles, and it is composed by Pali language. So Mahavamsa is composed by what? Pali language, and it is mentioned merchants and hot traders. In this book mentioned merchants and hot traders from the horse traders from the Tamil Nadu and South India. Okay, so the chronicle means nothing but it is the narrative text presenting the important historical events in chronological, that is called chronicle. And next one is Periplus of Erythraean Sea. Okay, Periplus of Erythraean Sea is nothing but it is an ancient Greek text. Okay, it is one of the Greek text, and the author is not known. Okay, Erythraean Sea, Periplus Erythraean Sea author is not known, but the term Periplus means navigational guide used by soldiers. Okay, it is a navigational guide used by soldiers. Soldiers la use பண்ற ஒரு navigational guide தான் கைடுன்னு இந்த புக்கை சொல்றாங்க. Okay, and then Erythraean Sea refers to the waters around the Red Sea. Okay, so it refers to waters around the Red Sea பத்தி தான் இது ரெஃபர் பண்ணுது, and then it makes reference